Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with part 3 of my Temu haul. They reached out to me and asked me to choose a certain number of items to review and show you, see if it's worth it. Now, the Temu website is massive. You can be on there for hours, and they have just about everything. Now, it's going to remind you a little bit of Wish, but I think so far from what I've seen, I think it might be a little bit better. Plus, they have flash deals, flash sales, flash deals that last a certain period of time where you can take advantage of additional savings. So let's go ahead and see what's in part 3. The first thing, I got these for $5.49. And they are these cloud slippers, they call them. I think they make great slippers to wear around the pool or just real casually. Now, these are slightly cream color. Whoop. They're super light, they're super cloudy, they're very comfortable to walk on. Let's see what they look like on. So what I will say about these is they're very light, they're very squishy, and it does feel like you're walking on a cloud. I love these. A matter of fact, I wear them all the time. These are black ones from a different store, but I wear them all the time. They're very comfortable. They're great for the beach, the pool, walking around the house, all kinds of things. And there's so many colors available in these things. So I love these. The next thing I got are these compression sleeves. And I got these for 99 cents each. Now, when you order these, they don't come in a 2-pack. You have to order 2 of them to get it. Now, I got these in white and I got them in black. The reason I got them is so my arms don't get sunburned when I'm gardening outside, or to have a sleeve under a t-shirt. You know, you don't want to wear 2 shirts, but the layered look is kind of cute. So let's check these out. Oh, wait, there is 2 in here. Okay. These do look different from the ones that I actually ordered. Let's see. I want to make sure that that's upright. So, ooh. That's pretty tight. But there we go. Very simple. Protect yourself from the sun while you're gardening, or to just give your outfit a layered sleeve look. So that's why I got those. So now I have 4 pairs. But that's okay, because you wash one, you wear the other. And then let's see what the black ones look like. I remember when I was ordering these, it said on there, if you want 2, you have to order 2. But 2 come in a package. Now these are different. This one has a thumb hole. So let's try this one on. A little thumb hole. You can still do that, and then it looks like I'm wearing shirt underneath, or you don't need the thumb hole. You can just wear it like a sleeve. Yeah, that'll work nicely. So the white ones aren't the same. I ordered a pair of white ones with the thumb hole and the black ones with the thumb hole, and just the black ones came with the thumb hole. So I didn't get exactly what I ordered. They must have had another kind laying around that was similar, and they just substituted these, which is fine. So I got those. I have plenty of sleeves now. Now the last thing I got for $1.69, and it's just a little silver ring. I'm going to take that out. And it does have like a twisted look to it. But I like to stack my rings. So let's put it with this ring and see what that looks like. It looks okay. You can take this set on vacation and you don't have to worry about losing it or getting it stolen because it's cheap. Don't want to lose your regular diamonds. Let's see what it looks like on its own. There we go. Very pretty. I like it. It's just very simple. Very nice. And that is what I have for you for part 3. Part 4 is coming up next, and you'll be surprised what I chose. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.